All right, so for those who are curious, this is everything that comes in the Astro 1442. Very, very happy with it. You get a couple of Rivnuts, nothing fancy. They're the cadmium plated ones. I bought my own Rivnuts, obviously. When you guys are doing this, you're going to want to use cadmium plated, or you're going to want to use aluminum ones. If you use aluminum ones, they're going to pull really nice and really smooth and really easy. But you may get some corrosion from the steel hardware that you're going to use. Do with that information what you will. If I lived in a salty environment, which I do, I'm going to go ahead and choose cadmium plating, and I'm going to choose 304 stainless hardware, which is what I chose. So this is your Rivnut puller. You got your different mandrels here. Comes with 6 different sizes. The biggest thing when you use any of these tools, I don't care if it's the side lever type like what I have, or if you have the rivet gun type, whichever one you, get out of there, you bastard. Whichever one you guys use, make sure you lubricate it up properly. Pull out these hex head screws here. These are your pivot points. This is where most of your leverage is going to come from. So you just want to go ahead and make sure you've got a light coat of grease in there. All 4 of those, take them out one by one. And then again, right here in the center part, you're going to want to lubricate that up. And what you'll find is after you lubricate it up, it pulls very smoothly. And you don't want to overdo it, because you can crack the Rivnut, or even worse, you can break this mandrel. Basically, you'll feel it when it starts to pull, and you just keep adding a little bit of pressure until it stops pulling. That's it. I mean, you're only going to move maybe 1/8 of an inch, a little over 1/8 of an inch. So, you know, you're not going to be trying to fully compress it. Like that one that I showed you earlier. If you compress it to the point of which that other one was, it's going to be a little bit overboard. Now, what I can tell you is the number of Rivnuts that this kit comes with. You're going to have to order some additional Rivnuts. So plan ahead. I mean, you only get like, I think 10 of each. Yeah, fuck it, I'll call it 10. I've been up for 15 hours, so I really don't care. But we'll call it 10. You get more of the littler ones, but... So you're going to have to buy some M8 Rivnuts, and you're going to have to buy some M6 Rivnuts. If you can find a 25 pack, just get a 25 pack. Comes in a very nice storage case, a little set of instructions, kind of get you started. This is the 13-inch. If you get the bigger one, they've got a 16-inch also. You know, you're just going to get a little bit more leverage on it. It's up to you. I think the 13-inch is going to be more maneuverable in a tight space, and I think it's going to overall be better for me and my future plans. Do with that information what you will. This is on Amazon. I think I got it for, fuck, it was like 49 bucks. It's cheap. It's not particularly expensive. I've got one of these same ones from this company, but I've got the bigger size, and I keep that in my toolbox at work. So anyway, this is Byron signing off. Have a great night.